All right, today we're going to do a titration. As you can see here, I have a burette. It goes up really high, and I'm going to bring you in closer. I've got an Erlenmeyer flask, and I measured out 15 milliliters of my mystery acid. I know the formula is H2SO4, but I don't know the concentration, so we're about to figure it out. I'm going to add 2 drops of phenolphthalein. This indicator stays clear when it's in the presence of an acid, and it turns pink the second that it's slightly basic. I've got a white piece of paper, so we'll be able to see that color change quickly. I'm reading the level on the burette that it's starting at, and it looks like 6.90. Not sure if you guys can even see that very well. There we go. 6.90. All right. And then we're going to start adding and swirling. So I'm going to go kind of fast at the beginning. And then once the pink starts to linger, I'm going to slow down. Okay, so far I'm adding hydroxide ions, but they're all being canceled out by the hydrogen ions. Okay, now I've got to really start to slow down. And when the pink starts to really linger, then I'm going to have to go drop by drop. I want to get a light pink because that means that I haven't overshot the end point by too much. I'm not going drop by drop quite yet. I want to make sure I don't overshoot it though. It's getting really close. There, we want it to be a light pink. Oh, it's going away. Maybe one more drop. That did it. Nice. Do you see how I hit the equivalence point probably, and then I added one more drop, and it turned light pink. So now the final number you need to record is 33.20. Okay, and then you should be able to do your math to calculate the unknown concentration, knowing that the base in here is 0.1 molar NaOH, and that this is a mystery acid of H2SO4, and we started with 15 milliliters of it. All right, there you go.